Welcome friends, my name is Yuriy, I'm top trading new offer. In this lesson I'll share with you how to build the best key levels, how to identify it, how to trade it. There will be all examples. Before we start, please check the quality of a video and a sound and type it into a chat about quality. Is it okay? Friends, once more, we will cover key levels, trend change point, mirror levels, key levels which we built by Paranormal candle, and also we will cover gap levels also, I think. That's why what is important at this moment, I will write a remind into my Telegram channel. Few seconds, take a look here. A few seconds, and I think you can see it here, guys. Friends, we friends, we have started. Yuri, nice to see you. Ready? Yes, nice to see you here. Write please about quality of sound, of the sound and the video, and type it into a chat about it. Friends, we have started, and I think it would be better to copy link, and also I would send that link to other groups. And friends, after that we will start. Quality of the picture is good and sound awesome to hear it. Few seconds, and I would like to write it into VIP members and to guys for our educational group, and here is into a chat. Good. Good friends, I see that 18 people's here. I want to remind friends, this webinar about key levels, how to build best places, how to trade it, how to identify it on a chart. It's important to see your feedback about quality of the sound and the video. And after that we will start. Friends, also feel free to ask any questions. You need to understand that there is no things like a stupid question. You can ask everything about trading, about your strategy and about your approach. This stream will be far more about how we build levels, how we trade. It is not about only one analysis or something like that. And also at this moment you need to understand that we have a plan to create a free course for freshers where you will have a lot of useful videos. That's why right now you should push like and you should subscribe on our YouTube channel, because you will get a notification about all that lessons. Friends, I see 30 people here, but only 3 people wrote about quality, sound and voice. It's not enough. I would like to see a feedback for at least 10 people about quality of the video. Friends, I need to write a feedback about quality of video. Hi Mike. Friends, write into a chat about quality of the video. Okay. Voice and sound clear, heard, good quality, hi. Hello him, hi. Good friends, good quality. Okay. How we will build our webinar? First, I will explain you why we should use key levels, why it is really good strategy and system, and after that I will show you how to identify it on a chart, and after that there will be questions and answers. You will ask anything about your strategy, about your approach, and also I will check maybe some of my students also video quality good. Type it on YouTube, please. Good. Okay, I see that 41% is here. Good, we can start. First, friends, why we should use key level strategy, key level system? Because many of you ask me about different strategies, many of you ask me different approaches, some like Elliott wave, something like that. But what you need to understand about key levels and the beauty of key levels. First, we have low predictable risk. As a trader, I receive many messages from TradingView, because you can see that I'm top trading you offer, And so many traders write to me about help and ask me, Yuri, please help me with that situation, other situation, something like that. And many of the people who lose money, the biggest reason why they do it, because they don't have good risk management. When you trade key level strategy, it is easy to build. Volume could be a little up. Okay, I did up volume. And the biggest reason why so many people lose money, because their risk management is so poor. But here it is easy to predict where would be your stop loss. Believe me, friends, sometimes it's better to take low risk and go out from the market, and after that you came back. That's why we trade key levels and we have low predictable risk. Another reason why I trade key levels is potential profit in most cases in many times bigger, many times. Some like 2 weeks ago I took on gold 1 to 12. What does it mean? My risk per position was 30 pips and I took 360 pips in 2 hours. And I want to share it with you, that entry which I made on gold. Because also, as you see as a trader, every week I have all my trades, I analyze it, because it's important. Many of you don't do it, because many of you think that you are a guru, like oil entry, gold break-even, euro sell, Canadian entry. Yes, gold here. Take a look, friends, here. My risk was below tail, below false breakout, and profit was in 12 times bigger. Just imagine, in 12 times bigger. Many of you hunt for, like, you want to have 80% profit entries, 90% profit entries. But believe me, I didn't see traders who earn money and live from the market who have such amount of profit entries. And I have been working in a fixed broker for 1 year, and believe me, I saw a lot in that case. Friends, write please in a chat right now, just type it. What do you think about risk reward, that potential profit, and low predictable risk? Is it good reason to have to trade key level strategy? Just write it into a chat. Is it a good reason? For me, it's interesting to see your feedback. And a third reason why I use key level strategy is it works on all markets. It works on all markets. It works on FX, oil, gold, stock market, indexes. And at this moment, you will see that we will cover examples of key powerful levels on different markets. We will cover it on forex, oil, gold, crypto, and different stuff. And you will be happy with that. I like it. It's a good start. It is the best. Yes, you're right. It is the best. Friends, please push like, because I will do my best for free to you, and for YouTube algorithms. When you push like, YouTube sees that this video is good and they will promote it to other people. Just push like. It is the best. Thank you. Absolutely a good reason. I have tried some of your trades on TradingView and I am profitable at that moment. Yeah, you smash it constantly. That's why I'm here. Thank you. Thank you, Richard. It's a pleasure to read all your feedbacks. Tahir, it is the best. Yes, friends, it is the best when you master it, and you need to understand that yes, there will be stop losses. It's part of our business, but you will not get profit without stop losses. It's part of our business. Okay, I think we can start and we can build and we can cover key levels. Your method is new to me. Can I ask you a percentage of your win or loss with such risk reward percentage? I have on my real account nearly 45% of profit entries with risk reward 1 to 4. When I have 50 or 60% of profit entries in those months, I am, oh my god, I am I wish I knew key levels. We will cover it. Okay, friends, let's go. Let's start analyze key levels. First will be trend change
Incoming mail.
like I wrote it on Telegram and YouTube. It is one of the best key level which I like to trade. Why it is important, why this level is important, why this level is powerful. I would like to share it with you here. Why trend change point is powerful and how you can build and how you can find it on a chart. Are you a swing trader or a day trader? Swing. I am swing because do you have a copy trading for people who wants to benefit from your experience? Yes, I have a copy trading. It is for VIP members. You can get contacts of my team below this video, and just take a look here. Any friends, many of you ask about any cooperation, something like if you ask about VIP signal service, if you ask about education, if you ask about money management, you just here is a contact of my team. You can ask and you can get all information. Can you use candlestick? No, candlestick is not good because there is no big place and there is no reason why you should trade it. Friends, let's go. First, trend change point. Why this level is really important? Because first, everyone sees this level, and second, big players, hedge funds, and other guys will scare to trade nearly these levels in opposite direction, and everyone see it. And also, such levels, it's a places where big players can accumulate volume. Can you make a strategy for scalper, day trader, swing trader? Yes, I can make a strategy for scalper, but I don't do it for free. About that, you can write to my teams. I will send you information. What is important about trend change point? Example for you on USD Swiss franc. Take a look here. It was low of 2018, and after that price came back to this key level. It is a trend change point. Why? Because from this place, price changed its trend and rose up 870 pips, or even better to say 1000 pips. For such currency pair like Swiss franc, it's huge. It's huge amount of pips for such currency pair. That's why, how you build it? You need to find a key places like this one, where price will change its trend or will change its direction. Also, you need to understand that it will be far more important to learn how price approach to this level, because I don't trade all key levels. Far more important to know preconditions, but I teach it only my students who take my course. For you, what I can share and can tell here, what you need to understand, this level, it is important because it is a trend change point. Another example for you of trend change point is here. I will share with you examples of on different markets because you can say, oh, it's work on a fix. How can I trade it on other market? You believe me, you will trade it. Take a look here, DAX index. You can see trend change point because from this place price dropped a lot. Such levels will not appear every day or something like that. You will need to wait for such levels, but it is a beauty of these levels because they are powerful, really powerful, and you will be able to trade it for long term. That's why once more here, why this level is important. Like I told you, trend change point, DAX 2018. From this place price dropped a lot. And take a look here, first reaction, how price reacted first time when price approached to that level. You need to understand that as a traders, we will trade first reaction. We will not trade like many times as this key level, but take a look here. First reaction, false breakout here, and after that retest, and after that huge drop. Take a look. If you would open, just imagine, if you would open sell entry, which I did with my VIP members. If you are my VIP member, you need to remember this DAX entry. 344 pips, and price dropped 1 to 10. Just imagine, on this entry you could take even more than 1 to 10. on this one entry. You put into risk 100 USD and you can take 1000. That's a beauty of trading. That's why I trade key levels. Because only according to key level strategy, you have low predictable risk and huge potential reward. Friends, type into a chat. What do you think about risk reward? Is it important to have bigger potential reward than you put into a risk? Once more about trend change point. It is a key places from which price made something important. You need to understand it needs a lot of huge volume to move instrument from this place. Such instrument like DAX index, like Swiss franc, or that currency pairs. Another example for you, because many of you could say like Yuri, it works only FX. Show me some another examples on other instruments. Vex, yes, it's important to have low risk. Yes, I 100% agree with you, because without low risk, most of people will lose all money. Friends, push like if you agree with it. Another example for you on oil. I want to share with you oil. Where is US oil, UK oil, Brent oil, WTI. I think we can open. Where is it here? Okay. US oil, few seconds. Another example for you. At this moment, it's hard to see at this moment what's going on with oil. But take a look on trend change point. First reaction here. Just take a look. Key level from which price dropped 1,600 pips from this place. And after that, take a look on oil. First reaction on this key level was powerful bounce. You need to understand, according to my trading strategy, it is important to know preconditions, because sometimes these levels will not work, but I teach it on my trading course, and you need to know how to trade it. About these key levels, in 90% cases, first reaction on this key level will be bounce or false breakout. First, in 90% cases, because it is really powerful places. Just imagine how many efforts it needs, real efforts for big players to stop instrument like oil. It needs billion of USD, billions. Only big players can do it. That's why when next time price approach to such levels, big players will support it. Or sometimes there could be a lot of different big players like Bank of America or JP Morgan, and they can fight each other. And that's why there would be fight nearly these levels. That's why it is important. Okay, we take a look on indexes, oil, and we took it on DAX, and I think I want to share with you example on crypto, because many of you could not believe that it also works on crypto. Crypto I will share on TradingView, but other stuff I will do on here on my MT4, because for me it's easier to do it on MT4. Friends, another for you example of trend change point, trend break point. Take a look here, trend break point. It is also a border of this paranormal candle, and take a look. First time, take a look how price bounced here. Okay, we just covered example of trend break point. Trend break points. Friends, type into a chat. Is it clear about this type of level? Do you understand how to build it, and did you use it before in your trading? After that we will go to mirror level. After that I think we will go to mirror level, historical levels, and levels by paranormal candle. We will go step by step. Friends, Tahir, it is important to have laws. Yes, Tahir, it is maybe it is the essential part of trading, because most of the what is the time frame you use to identify the breakpoints? Breakpoints important to look on daily chart, on weekly chart, because it is one of the biggest. It is the most powerful places from which trend changed, from which price made deep pullback. It is not a place like price bounce at 50 pips and yes, you use it like trend change point. Trend change point, it is a place when price started like deep range for 1 month, 2 months, deep pullback, something like that. Price change in direction. That's a trend change point. Yes, it's clear. Friends, I see 46, 45 people here, but only 3 people wrote about understanding of this type of level. Write into a chat, write it into a chat what you think about this type of level, because it's important. Without your feedback, for me it will be impossible to do good and quality work. Okay, I think we can go to mirror levels. And friends, don't forget, I repeat this saying once again. Would you be sharing your presentation with us? Emmet, you have this presentation. There are only 7 slides. It's clear for me. This, you see this, you can make a screenshots on every slide and use it for you for free. Good friends, let's go to mirror levels. Mirror levels is a type of levels which I really like, and in most cases I sometimes want to hold trade for a long term, but mostly then turn and I get out of break even. Because you don't use a powerful levels. If you will open entry, when you can hold entry for a long term, first you open entry to continue the trend, and second you open entry nearly powerful level, because if you open entry inside of a range, inside of a daily move, how you can hold it for long term? Hi Yuri, I can watch the streaming now, but I have come to like this video. Cheers, mate. Matthias, thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, do you see how you need to support? That Matthias came to this stream just to push like, because YouTube will share it to more people, and you don't want to share to push like 46 people and only 26 likes, and I think there is newcomers a lot. That's why you should support it. Let's go to mirror level and go to mirror level. Friends, about mirror level, what is important, how it works. Mirror levels, it is a places where price change one level to another. For example, like we had a limit level, after that price broke it, and it creates mirror level. Or we had trend break point, price bounced from it, and after that came back. I'll share for you an example. I hope I can example for you here on the chart. About mirror levels, why it is important to use it? Because mirror levels, it's a beautiful, and mirror levels works also on lower time frames. Example for you here today, example of mirror level on Yuriy USD. Take a look. This key level from which price bounced. Take a look. Here, here, and here. When price bounced many times into one level, that's a mirror level. Example here, bounced and here. And at this moment, take a look at in the morning. It was like price broke up this mirror level and go up. And after that, when it came back below it, it was beautiful mirror level where you could open sell entry. That's how it works. Once more, what is a mirror level? It is when support become resistance and resistance became a support. That's why you can trade it everywhere on all markets. And to be honest, I like mirror levels because example for you here on Yuriy USD when I trade it. Take a look on this key level from which price I never saw like your strategy. I might back test it. I like it. Man, about backtesting, how you will be able to backtest your, better to say, emotions. How you will backtest emotions. Just imagine you have a risk proposition 1000 USD, and how you can backtest emotions when you will have account like here, and you will have account 300k. Believe me, sometimes it will be harder to backtest all that stuff which you have. Once more example for you of powerful level. Also it was a mirror level. Take a look here. It was huge trap after that price dropped down. And take a look how price made false breakout of this key level here. Take a look. Price broke it down and made false breakout here. And it was really beautiful entry. Another example for you, and this entry, example of that entry I want to share with you, because I trade that stuff, and you will see that I don't just say for you that it's a good levels, but take a look here, mirror level and my entry. That's the reason why you should trade it. Once more, let's go to mirror levels and other examples. Another example, like I told you, it was here today, but you can see price made a trap, and after that go down. We always wait for retrace for low predictable risk. We always wait for retest of the key level for low predictable risk. Yes, about how to open entry, there are different ways how you can open entry. First, you can open entry at the moment when price create false breakout. Second, you can open entry when price will do a pullback to key level. That's all. But it is far more important to trade only when price nearly key level, because only nearly key level you will have low predictable risk. Like here on Yuriy USD, another example here. Key level, price made a trap. In most cases, it is good to trade mirror levels after when price will create a trap, because trap it is a best place for big players when they can accumulate volume. Another example for you, take a look here on lower time frame. Let's come to that level. Let's go to that level. Where is it? 2016. No, it is not 2016. Few seconds. Okay, friends, here take a look. Euro USD made real low, and after that we have this limit level. Limit level, it is a place where price bounces several times, especially into in the same time, like many candles in a row. And take a look here, first, second, third time, and after that price broke it up and create a mirror level. Support here, resistance became a support. That's how it works. And take a look here, false breakout of this mirror level, and it was the best entry, false breakout of this mirror level on Euro USD. And another example for you here on Bitcoin, because I want to share with you as many as possible levels as I can. Take a look here. First it was false breakout here, and take a look here after that how price use mirror levels and just go up and up. Take a look here. First mirror level, take a look how price bounced it, hit up. This mirror level, price bounced it up. Another mirror level here. Sometimes there wouldn't be like really pretty good, pretty accurate mirror levels. Another example here, before, take a look, before Bitcoin dropped down, take a look on this mirror level. I hope you see it pretty well. Take a look, this mirror level. That's why it works properly on all markets. Marcin, right, please. Did you get your answer about retest? Okay, friends. At this moment, just type into a chat about mirror levels. Is it clear for you? Can we go to another type of level? What do you mean entry points? Entry points which I personally made, or how you can trade mirror levels? Yes, thank you very much. Useful information. You're welcome. Best thank you is just to share this video to your friends, and that's all. That would be the best thank you to me. Very clear. Yes, mirror levels are on last chart. What do you mean on last chart? GAC, Nick, what do you mean? Please clarify. Can we take those PDF? Do you mean this presentation SB? Do you mean this presentation or what? Yes, yes. Friends, when you have some questions, please clarify it. Mirror levels are clear, but entry and trade points are not clear. Friends, about entry exit points, I teach my students because I teach preconditions. You need to know preconditions, in what cases it's good to trade or not, preconditions of breakout, preconditions of false breakout, preconditions of bounce. You need to know all that stuff. Also, you need to learn about ATR, you need to have all that strategy together. That's why it is not for only for one answer. Mirror level just hit. Where just hit? Euro, Turkish. About real examples, we will cover it after all levels. Yes, it's clear. The low risk is met at those mirror levels. Once more, what is a mirror level? When you have powerful level and after that price change it, break it, like that, create a trap, and after that price create another level. Another example for you on DEX. Take a look here. We will cover this example. This example will be just to finish it. Take a look on DEX index. It was here. Take a look here. Yes, from this place, take price bounce and drop a lot, and take a look here. First, after that, price came back to this key level, bounce, but not such powerfully. And take a look. Price break it up and powerful trend change point level become a mirror level. You need to understand that in most cases, key levels which we have, when price break it creates a mirror level. Also, I will add, I believe you still have that video updated to your channel on mirror level. Note here about mirror level, I will do a lot for students like you, for those who bought education, because in that course I recorded many examples of mirror levels separately. About other people, on TradingView I created a file about mirror levels. I could try and I could try to find it to you right now. Few seconds. Where is entry point on DAX in this case? At key level when price made false breakout at that moment. Price made false breakout and you open entry at key level. Once okay, friends, okay, newest about my ideas, publish comment for streams for today's educational. So used on popular all the time. A few seconds, friends. I would find for you that educational idea about gold, and after that, for you it will be the best what you can do. I hope you can wait few minutes. Take a look here. No, it is not that. Friends, can you wait? Please type into a chat. Can you wait 1 minute? I would like to see. Can you wait? Because I see that some of people leaving this webinar because I'm looking for that file where you can learn to trade mirror levels. Because I need to understand, is it important for you? I want you to do it the best for you, but is it important? Because if it is not important for you, we can just go to another type of level. Yes, it's interesting. Okay, that's why, friends, 1 minute, please. 1 minute, and I will find to you that post which I did for educational post. Educational. If some of you have it, you can just send it into a chat because that would be really awesome for all of us. Educational. Once more. Yes, as you see, educational mirror levels, how it can save you years and thousands of USD. Friends, here I created all PDF, all file. Take a look here. Examples of mirror levels. Take a look. Examples where you can open entry, resistance became support, and again became resistance. Take a look here. This one candle, border of the range. It is another type of key levels which we will not cover today. Border of the range, and after that price broke it up and it became a support. Take a look here. S&P 500. Powerful drop from this place. When price broke it up, close above, false breakout, uprise. Oil, range, border of the range, and it became a support. Bitcoin, resistance, powerful candle, paranormal candle, false breakout, uprise. That's why for you, friends, right now, you just get it here. Open it on TradingView, and don't forget to push like and follow me on TradingView. I think I will add it to description to this lesson after this webinar. And okay, and let's go to another type of key levels because I see that it take a lot of time. I want to finish it faster because there's nearly 40 minutes. Okay, I will push the button. Thank you, my friend. Let's cover another type of key level, which calls a level which we built by paranormal candle. Why it is important? Because paranormal candles, it is a places which needs a lot of volume and something like that stuff. And best example of paranormal candles you can find here on gold. Hey Yuri. Yes. Ask your questions. Take a look. Example of paranormal candle. Take a look here, friends. Gold. Why is this level is a paranormal? Because here we have more than 2 ATR in one candle. Friends, how you can find a paranormal candles? Paranormal candles, it is more than 2 ATR, 3 ATR, 4 ATR. As much, as bigger, it is better. Like here on gold, our average ATR per gold at that time was nearly 200 pips, 220 pips. But take a look here on this candle, 860 pips in one candle. After that, take a look here and take a look how price bounced from this key level. Take a look here how price approached first time to this key level. And what you need to understand, when you will have such candles, in most cases first reaction on this candle will be a bounce like it was here. And take a look here how I trade this level here. Yuri, how much do you make this strategy? Man, believe me, I made enough. For last 2 years I made more than 100k. And also you need to understand that I didn't have much money at this moment. I have far more money under my management, and I think I will make far more. Take a look here. This key level, gold, paranormal candle, price came to this key level and false breakout. And like I show it to you, take a look, paranormal candle, false breakout, and you can trade it. Friends, these levels which I shared to you, it's not like just strategy which I didn't test. I tested it on my real money, which I feel on this account only I have 300k. I think you can see on other accounts, believe me, I have also enough money. That's why. About paranormal candles, once more, this gold example is the best. You have big candle, and when price approach to this candle, it is the best to trade false breakout. And also in some cases, when price break that level, you can trade a false breakout like it was here. Take a look. We had this paranormal candle, and take a look. First breakout 400 pips, false breakout, and 550 pips. So far clear enough. Thank you, friends. It's the best. It's the best for you. It's best to hear such feedback. Friends, it is three types of key level which I like the most. Also, there are another key levels like limit levels, like gap levels, but we will cover it in other times. And also, you need to understand that it's far more important for you to know preconditions, because you need to see how price approach to key level. Because in some cases, when price approach to key level slowly, it's not good to trade false breakout. You need to learn it, and those knowledge I followed your instruction about this, man. Thank you, man. Good. Привет, Yuriy. Thanks a lot. Yes, привет. Friends, at this moment, how can I download your lesson? This lesson will be for free. This lesson will be on YouTube about key levels. About my lessons which I recorded about key level strategy, example for you here, all preconditions. Few seconds, friends. I want to open it here. I would open it here and will share it with you. Okay. About my educational program, what you need to understand. About my educational program, friends, what you need to understand, it's important not only to know preconditions or key levels. It's far more important to know preconditions, because you need to understand that in some cases price will not respect key level, and you don't know in what cases. That's why you need to learn it. How big candle to identify? How big a candle to identify? Man, you just open a chart and you see that this candle bigger than this one in more than 2 times. That's all. What you need to understand, you need to learn what is ATR. ATR, it is average daily move of instrument per day, and after that you see that price moved more than 2 times than average daily moves. That's all. That's how you can identify it. Friends, about education, many of you ask me about education. You need to understand that there are a lot of topics which you need to cover. And for example, like risk management, psychology in trading, big players, how they accumulate position, who controls the market, type of the markets, which better to trade, where to start, how to choose the best broker, because I get so many people write to me about scammer brokers, and it's not like this. Also about technical analysis, key levels, preconditions, fundamental analysis, where you can use fundamental, where not, entry exit points, how you can trade breakout, false breakout, bounce, what volume to use, statistic, how to work with statistic, how to improve your trading if you are a good trader. That's all what we have in our course, and that's why it is not only one question like how can I open the entry at that level. You need to know all that knowledge. That's why, friends, those of you who like my strategy and like my approach, what would be the best for you, what you can do is the best. You can join our VIP signal service, or you can learn how to trade my strategy. All questions you can write to my team. Here is a contact of my team. Take a look here. And also in the comments you will find a contact of my team. Right now you should write to them, you should write and ask about education, and I think those who will be here will be able to get some bonuses like my trading algorithm. Those who will start education will get my trading algorithm, my step-by-step plan how I trade. Friends, once more, write into a chat your questions which you have right now, and after that, after your question, we will go to finish. Friends, I wait for your questions. And at this moment, when you wait, what is the best you can do right now? You can push like, you can push subscribe, because you will get notification about our live, about our new lessons, and about everything good what we do on YouTube, because you saw that it was a huge lesson about key levels. What is a mirror levels on NG? What is NG? Natural gas? Do you sell limit orders or watch the price alarms? It's important to have preconditions, because in some cases you will not trade key levels, because in some cases price will destroy it. That's why I set alarms. Natural gas. Can you show another example on USD Japanese yen? What do you mean? What type of example? Example of what? Friends, this lesson is not about analysis. This lesson about key levels, and at this moment about natural gas. My apology, but if you want to get like analysis every Monday, I have a stream where I analyze maybe or yes, mirror level, where I analyze all instruments. Can you show mirror level on yes, on USD Japanese yen? Okay. Example for you. First, take a look on this powerful level from which price started uprise. Once more, about key level, you need to understand the logic. Key level, it's a place where something important has happened. That's the main logic. When you will understand this logic, everything will change in your trading. Thank you, no question from me. Good. Best what you can do, just share it with your friends. Mirror level on. Take a look here. USD Japanese yen. Oh my god, where is it? Oh good, it's here. No, I don't like, would like to take bars. Take a look on this paranormal candle. Why is this candle is paranormal? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so many. Take a look on these candles. Average move here was 40, 60 pips, and here take a look. How price create a mirror level. I think it's enough for mirror level. Take a look here. Mirror level, another support, and take a look how price approved it. Why this level is really important? Because price here and here approved it. When I look for key levels, do I need to check the direction of the price action, if in the past it was increasing or decreasing, to understand if a key level is support or resistance? Yes, you need to understand. First, you need to build the biggest, the most powerful key levels on a chart. After that, yes, you will see how price will approach, because price action is important. Important is a preconditions. Friends, 2 more questions and we will finish. Friends, 2 additional questions right now. Guys, come on. Guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. 2 final questions. And we will finish this webinar, because I think it will be really useful for you. And what you should do right now, if you want to use it, if you want to start using it in your trading, right now, open your trading platform and create like 20 pictures, better if you will do 100, 200 for each type of key level. Because without practice, it will mean nothing. You need to practice it. And as bigger amount of practice you will do, that will be better for you. That's why right now what you do, you open your trading platform, you turn off your PC, you turn off your smartphones, you turn off all your messengers, all your social networks, and you create, for example, at least 20, 50 examples for each level. Do we go back in the time on a chart and plot in strongest level? Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. You can go back in the time. It has been useful. Thank you. Friends, best thank you, like I told you, is a like and subscribe and share it for your friends. I'll do that. I really appreciate what you are doing to help us. Vax, you're welcome. Also, Vax, if you want to get my support, my personal support, you can join my team. You can write to my team and ask about good level, about education. On gold, does the strategy work better? That strategy works on all markets, because it is a unique strategy which works everywhere. But it's important to know a preconditions. Why? Because far more important it will be to see how price will approach to key level. It's important to see what is local trend, global trend, news conditions. That's why it is important, and you need to know mainly daily and for H4. Yes, weekly and daily. You start always from daily. After that, if you don't have enough place, you go to weekly. For H4, it is not the most powerful places. Okay, friends, I see that you have asked a lot of questions. I think it's enough for all of us. Friends, I enjoy. To be honest, I like this and I enjoy this webinar because it was really good knowledge for you. Do you think the coronavirus panic is over on the market? This panic, as you see on FX market, volatility increased in 2-3 times on some currency pairs, like on GBP it increased in 3 times. I think in 2-3 weeks volatility will decrease because I think most of countries will go out from that shutdown, but it will be important to see quarter reports of American companies, of huge companies, because I think there will be a huge problem at that time. Thanks you for this advice. Okay, thanks. Okay, friends, have a good day. Take care. Do you have your favorite pairs to like to trade the most? No, I don't have favorite currency pairs, and you need to understand, in most cases people when they have favorite currency pairs, in most cases they lose money on that currency pairs. You need to check your statistic. You can connect your account to MyFXBook, MQL, and different other services where you can see on what currency pairs you make money, on what you do not make, and you will see that in 80% cases, you will see that your favorite currency pairs, you lose money the most on that instrument. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, subscribe and like. Friends, it's the best. It is the best. It is the best feedback from you. Good. Bye, friends. Have a good day. Take care, and I will go and drink coffee for your health. Bye.